Home product specialist Tupperware Soars shares soar today on no apparent direct news. Sentiment appears to be driven by the return of the meme stock trend. However, Tupperware stock remains extraordinarily speculative, but for now, Tupperware is riding the coattails of Roaring Kitty as he resurfaces and the surge in GameStop once again. So let's break down the charts. We're going to start with the monthly time frame, and big picture, we can see this double bottom at that $1 round hole psychological number. Now if I look really closely, you can see a drop in price, a basing candle, and the rally. So this would be where we would have monthly buyers at, we'll say, 75 cents. Now scrolling down to the weekly chart, what you have within this weekly buyers zone is a double bottom, also what's known as a W pattern. Let's try that again. Apex, double bottom. And typically when price returns to that apex, that is the opportunity to go long. And you had some confluence as that apex was in alignment with that dollar level. So this was the opportunity to get long Tupperware. Now that price is now up roughly 70 cents from 70% from the dollar level. Question is, how much higher can price go? Well, if you look at current price, you go up into the left, you see these wicks here, which are rejection wicks. One reason is you do have a weekly sellers level at roughly 280. Weekly sellers at 280, and the formation is the following. This red candle represents a drop. You have a couple of basing candles and then the drop. So you have a drop, base drop, price returns, gets rejected, gets more unfilled, sell orders filled, drops, comes back, picks up any remaining unfilled orders, and then drops to a level of liquidity down near that monthly buy level, right? Now taking it to the daily chart, price right now is contending with this yellow line, which represents the 200-day moving average. And so if you get a candle close above, say, 190, that opens the door for price to move higher to this weekly sellers level. Now let's get into the news on Tupperware. So Iconic Home Products line producer Tupperware is witnessing its share price skyrocket on Monday on no company specific news. It's likely then that the return of the mean trading phenomenon has catapulted sentiment for this otherwise troubled entity. Tupperware shares have been trading hands at around the $1.82 level, representing a nearly 42% lift. Still, the positive move does little to address the business fundamental concerns. Early this year, management warned that it lacked confidence about its ability to continue as an ongoing concern. Now on Sunday, speculation about Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty's potential return to social media set the market ablaze. Gill's account published a post on X showing a man leaning forward, possibly holding a video game controller. Netizens interpreted the image and subsequent messages as indicating that the retail trader responsible for the meme stock phenomena is back in action. However, as the long-term charts for meme stocks demonstrate, the fundamentals eventually win for Tupperware. Rising costs, distressed financials, and a failure to submit required corporate filings on time raise major red flags. But as we saw in 2020 and 2021, if Wall Street bets and the meme stock traders want to push up price, it doesn't matter about the fundamentals. So if price continues to move higher on Tupperware, takes them off the table at this weekly sellers level at $2.80. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.